We are certainly in a different position than we were in last spring. But with our hospital system straining to keep up with the sharp increase in severely ill patients, we have to do more. And effective this Sunday, the Commonwealth will move every community in Massachusetts back to Phase 3, Step 1. This will reduce indoor capacities across a broad range of sectors of the economy and tighten several other workplace restrictions. The move back to Step 1 will also require the closure of certain businesses that are designated as Step 2 industries. These include indoor performance venues and certain high-contact indoor recreational businesses. In addition to closing the indoor recreational businesses in Phase 3, Step 2, we're also reducing capacity limits to 40% statewide for pretty much everything else. This includes gyms, libraries, museums, retail, offices, places of worship, movie theaters, lodging, and more sectors that the Lieutenant Governor will go over in detail in a minute. The rollback to Step 1 will also automatically reduce the maximum size for outdoor gatherings from 100 people to 50 across all communities. These new measures are designed to do three things. Number one, prevent infection and viral spread, especially in indoor settings. Number two, to create stronger mask compliance, more social distancing, and limits on the time spent with people outside of your immediate household. And step three, to reduce mobility. Massachusetts is actually, by most national measures, a pretty strong performer on the reduction in mobility that's taken place since last February. We're still about 30% below where we were before the pandemic began. But clearly, we need to do more, and that's not enough. And today's announcement also includes strengthened guidance for masks in certain locations and activities, including gyms, office spaces, and restaurants. Restaurants will also be required to reduce table size from 10 people to 6 per party and must set 90-minute time limits for dining. Some restaurants are already following these guidelines, and we believe it would be appropriate for the rest to do the same. Lieutenant Governor will provide more detail on this guidance shortly, but again, these changes go into effect on Sunday. We're going to continue to be as aggressive as we can in fighting the virus, but actually there's nothing more powerful than people playing their part and understanding their role. We've watched you all listen and rally and fight successfully to beat this thing back before. And the people of Massachusetts have put up with a lot. The sacrifices, the list is endless. But as I said before, there is hope on the horizon, but we need to work really hard to get from where we are to there, and to do so in a way that preserves our healthcare system, protects life, and makes it possible for people to continue to be able to do those essential things that relate especially to work.